Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your demo website and then upload it to your temporary IP. So if you haven't set up your temporary IP address yet, jump over to the web hosting and setting up a temporary IP website. And just follow this video and then you can jump back over and then come down to download templates. You're going to find the templates that you have to offer at the moment in here. If you want to view the live viewing of them, just jump over to viewing the website templates, and then you can jump over to this website and view them in real time, and you can check them out, the different sizes which you want to have a look at. So anyway, go to download templates. Now just download whichever one you want to use. I'm going to be using Charity One for this. And then what you want to do is you want to go over to your temporary IP address. So you should look something like this. Or if you go to the login page, it's whatever the temporary IP address is. And then /WP-admin. And then it's going to take you to this login page and you can just log in there. Save that. Okay, so once you have downloaded the file, I'm just going to put that on my desktop. You want to come along to, I'm going to give you an overview of the back end of WordPress, so don't worry about that. I'm just going to get your temporary, your demo website up onto your temporary hosting. So you want to come along to the left hand side and we're going to go to plugins and we're going to add new plugin and we're going to come over here to the right hand side and we're going to search for the plugin called All-in-One Migration. So there it is there in the middle. Just hit install and then activate. And then on the left hand side, you're going to see where it appears. You're just going to come to import. And you are going to drag over the file that you downloaded. And it should take a minute or two, depending on your connection speed for the for your internet. And then I'll show you what you need to do next. Alright, so it's completed the initial install. Now all you need to do is hit the proceed button. And now it's just going to prepare the blogs and a few other things in the background. But this is where it's extremely crucial that you pay attention. So your data has been imported successfully. The next step you need to do is this step 1. You need to click on this button right here. Okay? And then that's going to take us into the website again. Now, just so you know, your original username and password is no longer needed. It's going to be, I'll put up on the screen here, but it's this is the new username and password, because when we loaded a demo site, it loaded everything, including the users that I had set up. So just log in. And then what we want to do is we want to select post name. So this is going to be for your URL structure, and this will be for the entire site. So the best practice is to use the post name. So that means whatever you name your blog post or your page, it'll be whatever your website URL is / like homepage or what we do or about page. So just make sure you select post name and then come down and hit save changes. And that is about it. You can come up to the top here, visit site, just make sure everything loaded. Looks like it did. Hit one of these to go to the next page. And because this is going to the next page, it means that URL site structure was kept intact. So I'm going to give you an overview of the back end of WordPress now.